is carpenter. But because of the Astro, this thing what they do, you don't want to come out here, so we want to sack him to do the how do you call it, the seat and everything. Hey,
it's an interesting conversation and engagement right here. Two residents of Bukom in Ododo-Diodo constituency in a joyous mood playing Ludo. That's a competition, but also it's a friendly match between the two. Then also talking about how AstroTurf being developed in the community is bringing about an employment to one of them. We are coming your way from Bukom. It's in the heart of Accra. Hello there, this is Gabriel, Prince Niobodai Atopra Atunam Togbo Ashon Kwasonu, together with
Rosemary Anyingba.
Coming your way with yet another edition of Community Watch. And today I'm home. I'm within the Ododo-Diodo constituency. Rosie, what comes to mind when Ododo-Diodo is mentioned?
You know, first of all, it's the heartland of the Ghana people. When you mention this, the first thing that comes to mind is the boxing.
So we have the Bukom Banku, Bukom Tiger, and all the others you can think of. World boxing champions.
Yes.
But then also, it's an election year. And in days ahead of us, we are going to have this place being one constituency to look out for. And on Metro TV, you can trust us to bring you the best of reportage. Myself and my senior, Paul Adom Otri, will be combing through the coastal areas in Accra, particularly Ododo-Diodo, where we are now, Osudas, Kole Klote, then Lada de Kotopong, so you can trust us for the best. But just before the election day, we are here to interact with Ni Lante Banaman. So I don't want to speak that much. Come along as we have great team here to welcome us to meet him as we engage him one more time to know exactly what he has for his constituents and then the reason for which you should vote for him. Ganse Obake, welcome. Onupa, what do you have in store for us? I know we will soon be climbing up, but what should we all expect?
Thank you very much for coming. You are warmly welcome to the campaign office of our candidate, Nilante Banaman. This is where we are running our elections from. And we welcome you. We are happy to tell our story. We are happy to share what we have done for the people of Ododo-Diodo. And in fact, what our candidates have done so far. And for that reason, we want to lead the people of Ododo-Diodo in service and in good leadership. So you are so much welcome. And then we'll go upstairs. He's ready, waiting to interact with you, and then we'll give you the opportunity also to interact with the people of the constituency to understand what will inform their decision for these elections.
Great. I had three key terms. One, in service and in leadership, and that he's ready to engage us, to tell us his message. And just as you know, on Community Watch, we don't limit ourselves to the in-room and also in-house conversation, but we hit the grounds to see things for ourselves. Come along as we start this show. This is Community Watch on Metro TV with me, Niobodai, and then Nakoko Anyigba. Come over.
Party Communication Director.
Oh, okay. Olupa Manye.
They go back flash bomb feel.
Honorable, thanks very much for this time given us to interact with you.
Thank you, my brother.
I want to quickly ask my first question by referring you to a publication by one of the online media houses. And the title is NPP's Nilante Banaman, Des Nilante Vanderpoy to Infrastructure Debate. And it talks about the fact that you have done a lot for this constituency, something that you could easily show to the people. What are some of these things, Honorable? Because I read through, but I couldn't even lay hands or cite a single project that you've done per this report.
Okay, thank you so much. And the developmental projects that has started in Ododo is unprecedented in the history of Ododo.
Please underline unprecedented. That's the key term. Unprecedented in Ododo. Oh, come on. In Ododo, you have to mention that with much caution. So you have to then justify why you think that it is unprecedented.
Exactly. I'm talking about developmental projects that you can see and feel. I'm talking about the Jamestown Harbour. I'm talking about the Salaga Market, which is more than 75% completed. I'm talking about the road, if you really know the road between, that links the community itself to Agbogboshi Market. It was not motorable in the past. If you go to the 31st December market, they have sheds that the women sell under. A lot of them are in deplorable shape. As we speak now, one is completed and the people have started using it. We are moving on to fixing another one. And these are things that we are talking about that has never been done in Ododo. I want to be shown one developmental project that the NDC has embarked on in the 20 years that they have led this constituency. Nothing to show, as far as I am concerned, unless somebody will point something to me that this is what the NDC has done or whatever. I cannot point to any developmental project that they have done. I'm talking about 2 astroturfs that has been started in the constituency. The one at Bukom Park is about 98% done. The Manchagbona one is pending to start. Through the Youth Employment Agency, the year we've been able to employ about 395 people into youth in police, community policing, youth in sanitation, youth in sports, security assistants, kitchen assistants and all that. About 395 people have been employed through that. And saying that, I think that once again, we should be proud because such numbers has not been employed through any governmental agency in the last few years. We have about 70 people from this community that were recruited into the NAPCO. I also have the Bannerman Foundation, where through that we see to the welfare of the youth. We've distributed more than 150 sewing machines. We've distributed more than 70 hair dryers. We've given seed capital to more than 300 people.
What makes you a better candidate over others, for which outrightly the person in the ballot box should vote for you and not Nilante van der Poel or any other candidate?
I have been with the people. I have a relationship with them. I've been with them all these years. I am not the MP, but I'm more popular than the MP in Ododo as it stands.
Oh, really?
In 2016, when I contested him, I wasn't as popular as I am now. Because even after the elections, I've stayed with the people. I've been with them. I see to their welfare. I have a relationship with them. I know people by their names more than the MP can do. And I can tell you, Obudai, that Ododo is gone out of the hands of the NDC. It's a fact. We are only waiting for on the 7th for it to be manifest. In doing my campaign, I don't go about begging people to forgive me. It tells you that there is somebody who doesn't have a relationship with the people and the other person has a relationship and is touching the lives of the people. I'm saying this because this is a person who has had the opportunity of leading the people for 8 years. Leading the people, he has had 2 terms to lead the people and he has nothing to show. So now he goes out there to beg.
I am sure if I were to meet him today, he would list a number of things he's also done over the past 8 years.
That is why, as candidates, I've called severally for a debate. And even we've been given several platforms by the media stations. Yes. And he has never showed up for any.
After December 7th, what is your development agenda or plan which you intend to implement to improve situation here in Ododo?
My plan is to donate 250 trunks and chobuses to the best students within Ododo for free to attend free SHS. Aside that, since 2015, I've been distributing mass sets to all BEC students, and I've done it every year from 2015. I'll continue to do that, but the plan is also to organize mock exams for all BEC students before they go for their exams. I organize free extra tuition for all BEC students 3 months before the exams. Once you get your education right, the country will develop. That is my main focus. Now, Aside that, I've been organizing free health screening for the constituents. As I speak to you this Saturday, we are organizing 2 massive ones, one at Mudo, one at Rollins Park within the Mulichagono electoral area. And this is something that I want to do at least 2 each for every electoral area every year. Now, the plan is also to enroll 1,000 children on the NHIS every year. Ododo used to have the harbor, the Salaga markets, as the indigenous traditional
economic
hubs within the constituency. All these things are down. The Salaga market has been down for more than 24 years now. Now MPP is doing it. It's about 75% complete. The harbor has started. My vision is to get the slaughterhouse on its feet, build a modern slaughterhouse for the people, and in building that, we infuse the reconstruction and rehabilitation of the London market so that the indigenous economic centers will be revived. So there is a lot up my sleeves that I want to give to my people. That's why I'm pleading with them not to allow this opportunity to slip by, but to count on me, give me the mandate, they should allow me to serve them. And I believe strongly that this constituency will smile at the end of the day.
Usually people might think that MPs are not elected to primarily be championing development projects like this, but obviously they are also agents of change and they have high status that they could leverage on to improve the livelihoods of their people. So why not? Honorable, if upon all these great ideas and after December 7, your people do not buy into the idea and to vote for you and they end up not voting for you, how would you feel?
In as much as I'm not going to lose these elections, I also think that I've lost an election before and I was able to contain it. It didn't deter me from doing the good things that I have to do. I lost the election when I had no foundation. I lost the election when I had nothing to show the people. And this is not going to discourage. But I'm telling you for a fact that December 7th, there will be a new MP for the in the person of Nilante Banaman. Like we say in Ghana, they've tasted wine, they've tasted water, and they know what is heavier than the other. So I can assure you, December 7th, it will be history written in the
Interesting. Nilante Banaman, Ibuabe. I tasty Dan, I tasty no. Kindly look towards the camera and speak to Nilante van der Poel. I am certain he's going to watch this interview. So speak to him on how the two of you should commit to peace in this election.
Honorable MP, me bodo manye. Da name you ake manye enye mweji mansomo. Je ma no yeli won pa bo fai noni ke twenjole baba no jino ni sani nke bo fe wo fe noni ke no ya baba no jino ni nke bo fe sani wo fe won pa bo fai ne ke ma je no mo tu komo ke kakla komo ne o fa ne no kwe no ana pa bona fe ni twenjole aba wo ma ne ni won pa bo fai wa ya yeshi ba mi no ya ke chole mo jino ni wota o ni o manje papa afi wo fe wo no o yi wala do.
Imagine that this is your last opportunity to have a word with them before they enter into the ballot box. What would you tell them directly? What's your appeal? What's your final message to them?
Ni oyatola no fon shiki amukwe sani bon no ya keshele mo afu no mi panye fai MPP ba government mi ne nyede chenje ba yo da se ni bi papa ni ke no ya keshele mo ba da na yo ake eko be ni habo ejeme manko be ni habo ejeme no hi ha ejeme na do dan kwa kufu ado edwen wo yi ha wo habo e Jamestown Salaga market en wa fe abagbina wo gbene ni kashike ya agbogloshi ni nyede chenjele chuchuku e ko wa onyeno no ya agbogloshi alo ya eni ejeme e ba take mo fe 3 hours dan o ba fo ni kegbene bibio ne many only a jametepo. I mean, be a dane muluele, be if tia many can be. Owing me, Muluba, owing me, Basha, Akumobo can be. Many enemy face, one panify. Nelenich Moloni can yet you could name me. Many sa bele, many sa mo, many sa hair dryer, many sa sewing machines. Many sa shika bibi ponita flache, aka any a melcom na bo. Aka indomie alo aka fe nche alo aka fe pedicure ke manicure many launa metona me aka ma woni chumomi fe won chuomo won pafai ene me jini bi papa ni won fe omo ke anu wa ya no wo cha no ni wonye wo fe na kan po e won pa nya fa ni ka fe edwe afita his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo no e ni nya mi egbe aka mi unyenye ni masomonye ni bi papa ni fe o ma fe na kan enyanum eni adofo me sremo odododio ye nimu netia ebi mu apumo ye tiase ba ye ndie ye nim se mu ye dia yesu ye mu dia afi we ye sremo se ni amu pie especially Katamanto Kwasi Adwoaso TS o kanshi old fadama se ni mu pie abe register Rollins Park ni ade ye sremo se na ye bom ho ban e ma mu register wa ha no sa na ye be bom ho ban e ma mu vote wa ha ma mu bohu ma mu nsuro ye nim se mu ye dia yesu ye mu dia enti e bebo mu ban na infaso e wo abato ho no ye be make sure say mu sabeka mi kama chemu say e kan no ye nya deputy minister for trade o ye mu MP we fa ni nine baako say NC John baako kra wo de ye ndie omo apomo ye ndie mu ye dia ye ne mu na betina aye adwuma papa se ne be ya impunto e be ye mu dia yeda mo ase nyame hia mo nyina mukọ on the 7th na mukọ kotu abana nyame adom yeda number 1 eso bibie ni efiso a eye bone enti mo hwe so na mo tu abana ma Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Nilante Bannerman yeda number 1 presidential ballot Nana Addo da number 1 parliamentary ballot mina me da number 1 inye megame waka kenklegbe ke be ehye on the 7th of December ju ni nya afọ shike nye kwa awen we no eje enwe ni gbonyoni no onye kwa awe ni nye fon shike nye awo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ke Nilante Bannerman nye bi ke nye na bi twa no manya bla of I always say that elections have consequences. I'm pleading with Odoridiodio, the people of Odoridiodio, that let's not make a mistake of going back to the past. Let's move forward. The developmental projects that the NPP has started in this constituency are unprecedented in the annals of our history. You also know what I've been doing to help the people. I have not slept in the last 4 years. I've been with you. I have a relationship with you. I know you by name. I know you by faces. And I'm telling you that let's not allow this opportunity to slip us by. Let's vote for someone who thinks about us, somebody who has very good intentions for us, somebody who doesn't sleep because he wants the good things to happen to us. Please remember to vote for Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency. Is number 1 on the ballot, on the presidential ballot. I'm also number 1 on the parliamentary ballot. Please vote for us to continue the good things that we are doing for you. And then I can assure you that the developmental projects that you are seeing today is nothing. You will see more than what we have done. Thank you so much and God bless you.
So we end here with our conversation with Honorable. From here, we are moving to the grounds to inspect some of the things that he mentioned that he's achieved for the community or for the constituency, and also to interact with a few of the constituents about some of these projects and how they are benefiting from it. Continue watching Community Watch here on Metro TV.
Hello, you are still watching Community Watch, and my name is Rosemary Anyimba. We are here to talk to some of the constituents on their view on what Nilante Bannerman has done for them.
Manjama UNB fio ye Bannerman. Wami bibi omo na ne badomosi osa kini ke first wo je be ni je o biatono je na kedo e chageli bi fa ne maternity na fo ye yeta e sali bi ni o je fe e ke machine wuji e wo je ko ha fo e to bo me na transfer bo ke ya fisi abo biatono ko te e gbele mi na efe e lo wele mi kete bode ekpade kam fiam neke enibi agbomi mo ska agbene eja society 50 e ba ja 200 eja 50 that pago ba ja no dey swear me na ko je ta wo fe Panama bo mo de papa ododi odo e be size le ya esiba e ye nyumo pe se mo keke bo nyu e be esi ne ke bo yo wa moto ne me ba fita wo bo mo ko nya ye Panama ni Panama etu e bi e sister ke mo ko ba yo make mo nya ye ni bi ni yo bi e fe e we me titi obi ya bi me ni ya pe ni me ni ya fe ntu e gwa mo fiam me ni ya tunu ko be ska mi poke ko won no ni mi ta 30 million bi antone no e ba ke next weekend ba ma e ha mi bi antone ko o sanwe sini domo wen ni ko me je me yin moko yagma elutumo moko yagma ebisika moko yagma no ne ke ba ye ni efefe mi ne ko ne efe e one sister one sumo no do working hale ko ne ba ye ko ndo ne so efefe ne ko ni wo twa wo de wan le
Final bada bushinwa. So you've heard it all. This is still Community Watch, and my name is Rosemary Anyigba.
You know something? Nilante Banama is not MP. It's now coming MP. It's new MP now. What he's doing, Nilante cannot do. Nilante, he did here so many years. Even toilet safe, public toilet, he don't do. You understand me? Nilante Banama is working at Odododio. Now we get Abo, we get Astrotech, we get the market. Everything is going just speed. What I mean, I do think it's good. You understand me?
Okay. Right, so we are seated in the Bukom Square. That's a field, AstroTurf as it is now. And we have a gentleman here to talk to briefly to know whether indeed this has been very transformative for the residents here. Welcome to Metro TV's Community Watch.
Kinkle Madanish. Ake nyedenche nyiba akuchune nyiba nyudasi. Chake mone ke ba akuchune minji. Yani akuchune mi efefo bike bi ba sure ye bi onukpa ba to abo kedi bi wona ke no ya ke shole mu baba akuchu mi ojugba ni tutu ko beri wole buko ejeru ni ene buko ehi mi ni to abo ni bo to aje amenu tumu ameke bo to aba hyehyun mi no maka ka ameke bo ba hyehyun oji wole lai kinsi eto le bi ojugba dan no wo hweji ni bi de hwe bibi e wale ke dromo abama yin lo ke e wo che amede bona fe na menya ba fe fan de hwe fi na gbena bona fe ni wakutu emi no ya ababi ni wo yi kami MP Nilante Banama no ba fe le dromo ni kuniyeli akekle on the 7th e shedi e ja ke wo MP ni wo ba na e bi 2015 e ba ye birthday ye bi e wo to ball ke wale ke jado se choko bi e ke oko
ni Nigeria ko di mambie sumo mambia
me ni sumo ni fa fe me ni sumo o fa ni iyo agese ni kamla ya bi ko mo ya ni bokodumo de sha me ni sumo no ya adi ba bi ni shi me ni sumo no ya e ba dumo bi de ba sha mo e ko me ji no je mu fiam ni obi na sumo ni na fe e ba na emi she shi me ni yo emi she wo fa fe me ni ba emi she.
We end it all here. This has been Community Watch on Metro TV. If you have any concern in your community, please invite us over to highlight that challenge so we collectively see how best we can bring about transformation in our community. The number is 0241 431035, and this is just part one of today's broadcast. In our subsequent or later engagement, we'll be interacting with Nilante Vanderpoy to see what he also has for the community. Rosemary, we end it all here. Your last statement.
I am hoping that whatever be the outcome, we are only praying for and asking for peace. So I'm urging all the other leaders and other MPs and other
candidates
here that whatever be the outcome of the election, they should accept it and then let peace remain in the country.
All right. So thanks all. We say bye-bye for now. Oh, blood, oh, let me know.
5 minutes. Bye-bye.